A number of things make the ESU program distinctive. One thing that comes to mind is the personal attention that students get from professors.
Every one of our class involves hands-on activities. So you don't just have somebody lecturing to you about the topics, we actually have you do the stuff that you need to do.
It's such a diverse field that, sure, there are plenty of people who go into there because they love technical gadgets, but there are also plenty of people who go into computer science and computer security because they like logic, they like the fundamentals.
Once I hit high school, there was a class offered that allowed me to make my own video games, and that was a really cool thing. And with that, I learned programming. And when I learned programming, I became really interested in knowing what that all could become, and making programs and so on.
Well, the thing that attracted me to computer science was actually playing a video game. And I'm sure a lot of people had this experience where they say, well, I can do better than that. And once I started learning programming, it turned out it was a lot harder to make complicated things that we use every day, like video games, take for granted. But now here at ESU, I'm making video games.
I've always felt that the thing that made us quite different from the bigger schools is that we've got a much closer relationship with our students.
What attracted me to computer science was how logic and math-based it is, and I'm also going for a math minor, so I'm obviously really into math, and logic is always really interesting, and it can be used for a lot of different things.
All the students have to take an internship, and many of them take it with local companies, and I've had student after student tell me that the internship experience is invaluable to them.
I just finished up an internship out in San Francisco this summer with ISEC Partners. I spent my internship doing, hands-on web application pen testing and mobile application pen testing. I got a lot of really interesting opportunities. They actually offered me a job they offered me a job right then and there, but I decided to go back to school. But it was fantastic. I was treated just like a new hire. I learned a lot.
Right now I'm involved with the Innovation Center at ESU, and they have lots of really cool opportunities for you to learn about entrepreneurship and sort of develop some ideas regarding developing business models and such. So currently we're in the ESU Business Plan competition, me and 2 other computer science majors, and we're developing an idea that we think will be a good opportunity to not only flex our computer science and programming skills, but to build some business chops as well.
You're playing a tremendous role in a very important part of our society. The networks connect everything nowadays, so our lives are on the network, and it touches everybody's lives. And so being able to play a key role in either designing that technology, building it, or maintaining it, or protecting that infrastructure to make our lives better, I think it's one of the most promising career fields that one could be in.
Because there are a lot of good reasons to do computer science, and so one is just that, again, the job opportunities, good pay, which is usually when a woman is working, she's got a partner who's also working, and so it's having the good pay and having the kind of flexibility that you get with computer science.
I think what makes the ESU program distinctive is not really the program, it's the people that are in the program. Coming here to ESU, I met a lot of people, a lot of nice people, that they share stuff, they actually care about the program, which is what I think makes it different.
The thing that makes all my classes distinctive is the professor's relationship with the student.
Well, we have really strong programs here, and it's very fun to teach here because we have such good students.
When I graduate from ESU, I want to join the US Navy and be a cryptogram solver.
My plan is to work for the government if I can. If not, I want to work for a private sector in some penetration testing.
After I graduate, I'd like to get a job in database administration or maybe web programming, because those are my 2 interests.
My name is Andre Garcia.
My name is Lisa Kaskilik.
My name is Mike Joshin.
I'm a computer science major here at ESU.
I'm a professor of computer science at East Stroudsburg University.
I'm a computer science and computer security dual major here at ESU.